Hey, I'm Carl with Apt, and this is the Manfrotto 290 Xtra tripod. And if you're looking for a really good tripod for a pretty reasonable price, this is definitely a model to check out. We'll start here at the bottom. So it does have 3 rubber feet all the way around here, and then you also have 2 leg extensions at the bottom. So that's going to allow you to take your pictures at a minimum height of about 16 inches and a maximum of about 67 inches when those legs are completely extended or retracted. As we move up, we have aluminum legs on this, so it's a really sturdy tripod. The legs themselves will handle about 11 pounds. The fluid head that comes on this one is going to handle about 8.5 pounds. So they are interchangeable if you wanted to put a bigger camera on there. Up to 11 pounds, you can still use the legs, but you'd have to change the head. So getting back to the tripod here, you have this little tool that you can use. It comes clipped to the leg. You can take that off, and there's little screws on here that you can tighten if they loosen up over time. It's just handy to have that tool right on you while you're using the tripod, and that just clips back onto the leg there. As we move up, we've got these little silver tabs here. So that's going to allow you, when it's retracted, it's going to be here. Then you pull out, and it's going to stop at the first position. Now if you push in a little bit and push down on this tab, you can actually lower this so that it goes out completely flat. And then as you adjust it to different positions here, you'll hear a little click. So there's the first position, second, and third. So you have 4 different positions actually that you can use on this one, completely flat, and then those 3 additional spots here. So there's lots of flexibility with this particular tripod. Everything is really easy to maneuver on this one. If we turn it here, you can see it's got that dial there that's going to allow you to adjust this up and down. We tighten that back up, and then as we go around, you have, let's see here, this dial here, which is going to allow you to loosen it to move the head tilted back and forth like this. And then you have another dial here in the middle that you can loosen to make it easier to slide back and forth that way. So a lot of good flexibility on this one. You can tighten them up to keep it in one spot if you want to. So up here on the top, we're going to have a little quick release plate that comes with the tripod here. And to operate this, it's got a little locking mechanism here. So you slide that over so it's unlocked now. And then this lever here, you push off to the side, and it's going to pop this out of place here. So this is going to allow you to take it out, attach it to your camera, and then make it really easy to put the camera back onto the tripod. You just pop it into place there, and if you want to lock it, slide that little switch over there, and it's going to keep it locked, so you can't pop the camera out there. So overall, it's for the cost, it's a really, really great tripod. It's definitely something to check out for an amateur type photographer or just somebody looking for a nice compact tripod that's easy to carry around with you. One other thing too I didn't mention, it has a little rubber grip here on this leg, so it's going to make it a lot easier to carry as well. It's not going to slip out of your hand or anything. But again, overall, great quality tripod, lots of flexibility on this one. That's the Manfrotto 290 Xtra. Make sure you check it out at apt.com. Leave your comments below and like and subscribe on YouTube.